Firstly, we want to get some arrowroot powder, which is a highly absorbent powder to help wick up extra sweat. Lovely. It effectively acts as an antiperspirant. You can use cornstarch if you don't have any. Next ingredient is bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, which is super effective at fighting body odour and also soaks up sweat. It can be a potential skin irritant, so feel free to add less. Is there anything coconut oil can't do? Probably not. Because of the lauric acid in coconut oil, there's lots of antibacterial benefits which helps reduce the odour causing bacteria in your armpits, leaving you fresh and smelling clean. Shea butter is also super antibacterial and non-comedogenic, whatever that means, so it won't clog up your pores, and it also adds moisture to the formula. Now pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds because it will be easier to mix later on. So you need 10 to 15 drops in total of essential oils. I'm making this batch for my partner on this occasion and she wanted a blend. So I've got 5 drops of rose oil, eventually, and then I put in 10 drops of Signature Zen, which is a mix of lavender, rosemary and sweet orange, which is a lovely floral scent. Briskly mix the dry ingredients together, and then you can add the melted coconut oil and shea butter and mix away. Keep mixing until you form a nice gooey paste that looks like this. Then you can pour it in your container. Make sure you get it all over the jar and onto your worktop as well and make a mess. And hey presto, you've just made your first batch of homemade deodorant. Well done you. Now leave it at room temperature to set for a couple of hours, and this is the finished article. So whenever you need to use it, all you need to do is scrape a pea-sized amount on the edge of your fingertip. Rub it into the palm of your hands until it's melted, and then you can whack it under your pits. It will leave you feeling fresh and clean all day long, and this is coming from a super sweaty dude. I will never go back to buying shop bought deodorant ever again. This stuff is awesome. Until next time, look after yourselves, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye bye.